What happens when innovation meets determination in Somalia? Let's find out. In Baydhabo district, southwest state of Somalia, 4 brand new greenhouses now stand ready, built for climate-resilient farming and a reliable food supply all year round. Thanks to the support of the Arab Organization for Agricultural Development and the leadership of Somalia's Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation, these greenhouses are more than structures. They're a promise of healthy crops, local jobs, and stronger communities. Implemented by Greenlife Agribusiness LTD, this project is already advancing food security and helping families withstand the challenges of a changing climate. With every tomato, every cucumber, and every harvest, hope grows here. Together, we're regenerating ecosystems, one project at a time. To our donors and partners, thank you for helping us turn plans into action and dreams into harvests. The future of Somali farming is green, resilient, and here to stay.